Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the May 2026 Potomac Beads Treasure Edition subscription box to share with you all today. I'll put a link in the description box below to the page on the Potomac Beads website where you can go and read about both of their subscription boxes and sign up if it's something that you're interested in. So I'm going to open it up here and we'll see what the theme is. Dahlia Fields. Step into the Dahlia Fields treasure box, a vibrant curation inspired by the lush textures and blooming colors of a spring garden. At the heart of this collection are the Bead resin dahlias, which are designed to be planted directly into the garden clasp for a stunning focal point, or used as multi-hole connectors to grow additional lines of intricate beadwork. Complemented by shimmering amethyst gemstones and soft Potomac pearls, these materials invite you to cultivate unique designs that are as breathtaking as a garden in full flower. And then on the back it's got everything that's in the box. And these are the beads. Those are the Bead resin dahlia beads they were talking about. Those are really cool. Some Potomac pearls. I just love Potomac pearls. So hold on, I'll sort everything out and I'll be back. Okay, I've got everything sorted out now. And first I have this pretty little box clasp. It is a Clasp Garden smooth barrel box push clasp. It's 14 by 6 millimeters. And it says it's real 23 karat gold plated. It's just really pretty, and you just open it up like that. Really neat little clasp. And then next I have some check glass faceted rondelle beads. The color is jet, and they're 11 by 13 millimeters. I don't think I've ever seen rondelle beads this big before. There's some big chunky rondelle beads. 11 by 13 millimeters. It's really pretty. And then next, I have some Potomac crystal ingot beads. They're 4 by 8 millimeters, and the color is light tanzanite AB. And those are really pretty. Sort of a cylinder-shaped bead. Really pretty. And I have a bent head pin here. I don't see another one, so I'll see if I can continue to make do with this one. Next I have some Miyuki bugle beads. These are 3 millimeters, and the color is metallic dark blue iris. These are the smallest bugle beads that they have. It's just a really beautiful color. And then next is a Potomac crystal Rivoli. It's 12 millimeters, and the color is Mystic Sapphire. It's just really pretty. It's really beautiful. And then next are some Potomac crystal bicone beads. They're 6 millimeter, and the color is metallic blue iris. Those are just beautiful. Really, really pretty. I hope that's in focus. I have a hard time seeing whether or not it's in focus. I have a lot of lights in my eyes. Just a beautiful color of blue. And then next are some check glass cathedral amethyst copper or amethyst beads. They're 8 by 6 millimeters and the color is copper. It's really pretty. The color is amethyst copper. Check glass cathedral beads and the color is amethyst copper. I wondered, I could see I could tell there was some purple in there. I don't know, I can always spot purple. Really pretty. And then next are some Miyuki 80 seed beads. The color is Duracoat Galvanized Champagne. I use this color a lot. I really like it. Next I have some check glass pentagon rounds, and I'm not sure about the color. It says matte jet something. It goes off the page there, so I'm not sure what the color is. These are really cool. It's a really neat shape. They're really pretty color. Quite a lot of those too. And then next are some amethyst gemstone beads. They're 8 millimeters. It's really pretty. And then next are some Super Duo beads, and the color is Pastel Bordeaux. Those are just beautiful. And then next are some Athena Cast links. It says round motif frame, 23 millimeters, 24 karat, gold plated. These are really neat. Could dangle a bead in there. Make some real pretty earrings. And next are some Pi Duo beads. The color is Metallic Jewel Mix. And the Pi Duo beads have 2 holes there, and they go through there. pretty colors. And then next are some 8mm check glass melon beads. The color is pink and blue swirl. These are really pretty. And then next is it said finished necklace cord. Oh, this is really cool. It's just really pretty. Really pretty cord, and it's got the lobster clasp and extender chain already on it there. So all you'd have to do would be slip on whatever kind of pendant you wanted to put on it. That's really pretty with the ribbon and the cords. That's really, really pretty. And then next are some Potomac pearls. They're 6mm, and the color is lavender. It probably looks more white in the camera, but it is a really light lavender color. And then next, and these last two are really cute. This is what they were talking about in the thing, in the description. It's a Potomac Infinite, two Potomac Infinite cabochon clasps. They're 12.5mm. They're 24 karat rose gold plated. And then the Bead Tech resin Dahlia beads. And the color is lilac. And normally you would put a cabochon in here, but you can put those little resins in there, glue those in there, and have a cute little clasp with a little flower in it. Of course, the tongue of the clasp goes in there. That's really cute. And that's everything. So hold on, I'll see if I can get everything together in one picture, and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in the May 2026 Potomac Beads Treasure Edition subscription box called Dahlia Fields. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description box below that will take you to the page on the Potomac Beads website where you can go and read about both of their subscription boxes and sign up if it's something that you're interested in. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.